Something interesting is happening with Oppo's next Ultra flagship, and this time it's not just about specs, it's about a complete identity shift. With the April 21 launch getting closer, Oppo has been slowly building hype around the Find X9 series, but now a real-world leak of the Find X9 Ultra has just pulled the curtain back, and honestly, it's not what most people expected. At first glance, you still get that signature massive circular camera module Oppo is known for. It's bold, it's dominant, and it instantly tells you this is an Ultra device. But look closer, and things start to get really interesting. Instead of a simple, clean layout inside that circle, Oppo has gone for something completely different. The actual camera system sits inside an asymmetrical, rounded rectangular island within the circle. It almost feels like two design philosophies fused into one: precision on the outside, controlled chaos on the inside. And somehow, it works. This isn't just a design experiment either, it's hiding some seriously insane hardware. The main camera is expected to use Sony's LYT-901 sensor at a massive 200 megapixels. That alone is flagship territory, but Oppo doesn't stop there. You're also getting a brand new 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, which should significantly improve edge distortion and low-light performance. But the real story, the zoom system. Oppo is reportedly going all in with dual periscope cameras. One is a 200 megapixel OmniVision OV52A sensor offering 3x optical zoom, designed for high detail mid-range shots. The other is a 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 sensor pushing up to 10x optical zoom, meaning this phone could dominate long-range photography like never before. And then there's a tiny detail most people would miss: a 3.2 megapixel multispectral sensor. This isn't about resolution, it's about color science. It helps the phone capture more accurate tones, skin colors, and lighting, which is exactly where Oppo and Hasselblad's partnership comes into play. Now shift your focus away from the camera, and the rest of the design starts telling its own story. The back panel features a leather-like textured finish, giving it that premium, grippy feel, something that's becoming rare in glass-heavy flagships. There's also a subtle dual-tone split towards the bottom, adding depth without making the design look busy. Up top, you'll spot the LED flash along with Hasselblad branding, reinforcing this phone is built with photography at its core. But here's where things go from impressive to slightly unbelievable. Leaks suggest the Find X9 Ultra could pack a massive 7,050 mAh battery. That's not just big, that's tablet-level capacity in a flagship phone. And Oppo isn't compromising on charging either, with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging expected to be on board. So you're looking at a device that not only lasts longer, but also charges insanely fast when it finally runs out. And performance? As expected, it's top tier. A recent Geekbench listing points to the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset powering the device, meaning cutting-edge performance, improved AI processing, and better efficiency across the board. On the front, the phone is rumored to feature a 6.82-inch AMOLED display with a crisp 2K resolution and a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. So whether you're gaming, scrolling, or watching content, this thing should feel ridiculously fluid. Now, here's the real question. Is Oppo just refining its Ultra formula or completely redefining what an Ultra flagship should look like? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.